These conclaves are incredibly interesting, and I've been telling Professor Bajpai about this as well, that the industry-academia interface has to get stronger, and I guess in that KIIT School of Management, KIIT in general, leads the pack, and I'm very, very glad for the kind of work that KIIT is doing in this area. No, machines will not be replacing people. Machines will replace some of the functions that people do. And so these functions could be repetitive functions and functions which are predictable, which are regular, which are there on a schedule. These can be easily replaced by. So like I said, it's a very, very good idea that KIIT is doing this, and it should do it regularly. And I assume that there are different conclaves for HR and technology as well. I think this consistent and constant industry academia relationship / conferences really help in making sure that everyone's on top of what they have.